I don't even know why I'm wearing black. I'm all covered in translucent powder. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a makeup tutorial leaning towards New Year, and for Christmas I got this box from my boyfriend. I got the brand new Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced. The box says I love you boo. I don't know if he probably did put a message on it, so that's that. And if you guys want to know how I achieved this makeup, then just keep watching. Just get started. So where's my primer? Where is my primer? Oh, also, I am all over the place. My camera doesn't have much battery, so I'm going to use its designer, this little bone color, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid because I forgot my powder. I don't know, I think I'm going to go with this Princess Cut and apply it to my crease as a transition color. The next color I'm going to be using is this Oh That's Rich color, and I'm going to be applying it to my crease and my outer V. The thing, I wanted to only use this palette, but the black here has like shimmers and most of the colors are shimmery, so oh my god, I think I'm just gonna use this and use the burgundy and the jet black color to try and intensify the look. I'm gonna be using burgundy and applying. So now I'm going to be applying some more primer to my inner lid, and then I will be setting this with one of these shimmer shades. I think they're glitter. Let's just do this. Or should I use Diamond Life? Let's see. I'm going to use Diamond Life. If I don't like it, I'll just switch it to Diamonds for Breakfast. I'm just going to be applying some black to my I try and blend it out with one of the brown shades from this little palette. This one right here. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. I'm going to charge my camera. My boyfriend also got me concealers for Christmas because I broke my prolong wear. So I wanted to try out this concealer, the BH Cosmetics. So the little thing doesn't twist, it goes like that. Shoot. I don't like this applicator. It's so messy. I need to wipe it right now. So I applied some banana powder to my face, to my under. Now I'm just going to contour with this palette. I bought this at TJ Maxx. I've never used it, so I just buy things because I'm bored. I see something and I'm like, I would probably use this, and then I never use it. I just end up giving it away. Oh my god, it has brushes. Ooh. Ya ni me acordaba. I don't even remember what I buy. These look nice, but I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna be I guess these are the 3 contour shades. I'm just gonna use them all, I guess. And I'm going to contour. This is a Clinique blush and I'm going to be applying that. So I'm going to be using the shade Fancy That on my lower lash line. Also the Okay That's Rich. So here I just applied my eyeliner, then I'm applying my mascara. Then I think we move on, to the lashes. I'm using some lashes and then I will move on to highlight. I was using the Maybelline Chrome highlight, the Molten Gold. I applied that to my cheekbones and highlighted every area of my face. I also highlighted my brow bone and my inner tear duct, which I forgot to show. And then I'm applying one of my Anastasia matte lipsticks, and that's in the shade, what shade was it? Rosewood. So that's the last thing to this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a fun and safe New Year's Eve. I wish you all the best for the new year, and I'm gonna try my best for next year. One of my goals is to get back on YouTube and upload, so yes. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys later.